step.
We're going, Ozzy. You're good.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Make sure you put the lockers on.
Lockers aren't on.
Oh.
I just got it on. Four-wheel drive. Alright, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, we got this.
Well, this is the worst part coming up here. Because I really don't know where the road is. But I know I gotta stay along this side here and then go over to the other side. And then over here. Oh, we got another branch down.
Oh, we're good. We can go over it.
No, I
We
can't.
know.
I can't go over it, baby. All right, we have another tree down. Which means we had some good old rain, or good wind here. Oh, truck stuck under that one. All right, watch out, buddy. Coming over. Come on, watch out. We're almost there. We're almost near the top. Okay, coming out. And you can follow me. Go.
Just be careful he doesn't
Go.
run in front of you.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Behind
Oh,
me.
behind us.
Ah, shit.
I knew this was going to be bad.
I'm gonna put it on low.
Just be careful.
Come on. Well, hoot hoot, we made it to the top. Wow. Look at the animal tracks around here. All around the door and everything.